Set a goal to yourself, like master one thing in a week. This could be like traffic strategy, or maybe developing your campaign, or maybe simply about your personal development. So I remember this. My mentor once told me, you will know if you already mastered something if you can explain a thing to somebody else in a way that they would listen to you and they would get it. And if you can apply this in whatever business you do, you can get predictable results. So that's when you mastered something. Maybe some of you have subscribed to me for a couple of years now, or maybe you've seen some of my video. Listen, I cannot guarantee your success because I do not know how are you going to consume these informations that I will deliver to you, or how are you going to engage in building your own success. But what I can guarantee is you can get the most logical if you understand the right perspective in building a successful business from home. You can design your own life into your liking. If I can do this, there's no doubt that you can do this too. I love what I do now. It's not all about money. It's all about loving the process of what I do. That makes me get up in the morning and be focused on the works that I should focus on and get it done. So I know that you'll get to the point that it's not all about making a buck. That's where you truly experience your true success. Product is not significant here because it works well for whatever product, services, company that you are promoting. So I am here for you to develop your skills, how to make your first dollar online, to make your breakthrough, and how to do it again and again in whatever product, in whatever niche. And once you start pocketing real money, I will show you how you can leverage and scale up your business. Okay, let me just be clear on this. This Breakthroughs Mastery is suited for those people who wants to build their own business that nobody can take away from them. Okay? If you are an online marketers, network marketers, or people who want to escape the corporate world and build your own business on the side while you still have and keeping your job. And for all small business owners, entrepreneurs, both online or offline, who really wants to break through and bring your business up to the next level. So my focus is all about you. I want you to get engaged in loving of what you do and shaping your life into your liking. You are here for a reason. You are here to build your dream, okay? I know you can do it. So help yourself. Everything will start with you, your commitment, your dedication, and how you invest in educating yourself to get your massive success.